Sanibona bafethu, welcome back to Starting 11. Bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Wenkabi. Njengenjalo bafethu ngihamba noSibuda Libuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Shapo kanjani mfana?
Ugrand.
Hayi mnandi mna.
Okay, sicela nje ukubonga bafethu, ukusinika ithuba siphinde sibonge kumdali. Usasigcinile bafethu. Sicela ukuthi mas-analyze singabe bias. Sibe right nje yabo analyze nje ngokweqiniso. Okay, namhlanje bekudlala iMamelodi Sundowns versus iMaromo Gallants, umdlalo ophela ngo-3-1. But before we get into the game, sicela bafethu nisifollow on YouTube. It's on our YouTube channel at Starting 11xi 11 amagama and then bese kuba xi. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Hayi George.
Ubone kanjani igame mfethu?
Yeah, nginibulise babukeli bethu esibathanda kakhulu. Yeah, sesibuyile back. Umoya omubi ke wahlasela la usathane eStarting 11. Kwakhomba ukuthi ngihambe ngiyojima iKung Fu. Ukusibiza imali eningi ukuze ngibuye ngimhlephula imhlathi. Sesikwazile ukubuya bafethu. Yeah. What a game. What a game. Maromo Gallants ayilethe their level best performance namhlanje. Bebeyifuna le win le. Yeah, bebeyifuna kakhulu.
Ondlondlo uyayithanda Sundowns.
Into ke ebeyikhona bebeyenza. Bebe defensive iMaromo Gallants. Be defensive ikhuphuka ngama counter. Ukuthi bazokuba ngama counter then babe defensive yabo. That's why I defense ye Sundowns ibikwazi ukuthi ishaye high line babe ngama offside amaningana
sebeyifundile lento yabo
yabo yeah isibangenile
asibangenile impela bayishaya impela futhi
yeah lapha esisweni seSundowns bekunama attacking midfielders beyingekho namhlanje i-midfielder first half
defensive
yeah i-defensive yabo
so Regino Alende uba unono
yeah unono yeah abantu aba we attacking lapha
and yabona nje bathambile bonke labo bantu laba
yeah
bathambile nje beyiMaromo Gallants bizenzela nje lapha
yabona first half Dunyelwa Cupido no well play in their kuma role in
Zuko
Mdunyelwa play nikwazile ukucontainer le situation up until igoal lokuqala opening ngalo cishe ngomzuzu ka 31 lapho yeah well done and ukeeper bengafuni lutho eMaromo Gallants bengafuni lutho ipressure ibifakwe yidefender uCupido ukuze kube yileli goal unkiyankiya lishaye kuye la ikwazile ukuthi ibhale iSundowns then after lapho just number 10 wenze imistake ya attacker le team le mayenza imistake uphakamise isandla lisaphaswa ibhola lisesemoyeni lamdlula langashaya isandla then umdlalo olitholayo weSundowns eselikhipha ibhola uRezino ukuthi aliphume out of the box lesandla lesi sikaNono
sisandla
ukuthi yini ebeyinhloso angiyazi
nabadla baphethe ezinye izinto nje
simple penalty wayibeke lokhujene emlotheni ureferee qhamuka umfana omfishane osuka kuMabhakaniya uNdlondlo bashisa wayihake nethini after lapho besithelwe ngebonkolo iMaromo Gallants inokhile ifika njengemvula lapha sekucaca ukuthi manje kwi-midfield yeSundowns kudingeka umuntu okwazi ukudefend okwazi ukumaka hayi
bomfethu iPirates yabo ukuthi yamiyahamselana uNdlondlo mfethu
angazi ngoba sama
that is a raw talent
ayikakhulu
elinenkani
ayiphelimoya
leyana leyana iyahleka futhi
ikhlekihle ikhiphi
iyasizi yamaka
kanokusho ikhona attack ikhona esiswini hayi ukube mhlambe bawu 2 or 3 abadlali aba effective njengaye ibingayiwina le game iMaromo cause icounter yakhona bimnandi
mfethu uLokhunja uMatthews use advertisela ukuthi ayodlala kwiWorld Cup noma
second half angazi mina kuphuma umdunyelwa ukuze kufakwe uReynolds kushiwe ingubo zodwa lezi uMatthews ulokhujana khona into engike ngayibhala la uphazamisa i-status se-Sundowns i-Sundowns i-comparison nama-team amakhulu ko-Manchester in terms of pass accuracy i-top 5 angithi i-Sundowns ingawenza ama-constructive passes i-Sundowns maybe up to 15 passes once lafika kuMatteo is going to be first to lose the ball ahluleke ukuphasa aphasele ibhola ngemuva mase kuama-substitution he was supposed to be first
in the 35 minutes nje futhi abuMatthews uphumile
yabo kwaphuma umdunyelo ongenzanga mistake uphumele istriker emva kwaloko ngathi ubebhemile inyawupe ithe uma ihlasela icishe qora iMarumo wabona no man yazi ukekana no man umkwena hange kwakhathi kufika ukuthi ake ngikhiphe uthi ingubo zodwa lezi zaka uMatteo ziphume kuzokwazi ukuthi kungene lokhujana okekana phuma uMatteo kwangena okekana
Matthews mfethu is not a Sundowns play material yawo bese lo mjidelo phela wa develop phesheya la mjidi but akutshengisi nje mfethu futhi ngeke futhi uMatthews akadeserve ukudlala eSundowns
Pasadena akanikanga iperformance emnandi ukuthanda ukuba too slow
la Pasadena usazolishikisha ibench
yeah
niyambona uPasadena letheze imkhalela usazolishikisha ibench uPasadena cishe wakora futhi ngemistake yakhe I don't know noma lazy noma but nje ibody language yakhe noma akekho match fit
yeah well uSalezi akaperformanga kahle nani mhlawumbe wenze kodwa uke waba i-assist
eqeda kushaya
uSalezi
ukhisha uSalezi kushiya uMatthews
and Mkwena hayi bekuyigame yakhe le Mkwena first thing ayenzile intercept ibhola lomdlali weMarumo odrebule njengondlondlo kanti yena uzomakwa ke this time umakwa ubani umkwena walithatha walinika bese ngene uMonapule esaleni
wapress
waphambili kwayiwa phambili kusho ukuthi ulinike uSalezi Salezi to umkwena ongazange asananaza umlaleli labhajwe intanjeni first goal yakhe ku second half umkwena wabhala 2-1 zadlala ayizange give up undlondlo nale offside yakhe bekungayona i-offside but even if noma ngathi ilitholile igoli lokhujana bekungamane kube u3-2 iscore vele bese ku designated ukuthi sengena umkwena umuntu mfethu
uyabahlukumeza mfethu uyaheda uyalithatha ibhola yabo no Regino basoft
yeah
like nje abahedi like
mabengasasithola ischeme by the way khona ilokhujana engaesayenza ngasho ngathi hayi iSundowns kupossible ukuthi ithole lo 3 points namhlanje of which isiwutholile yabo and thanks to umkwena wathi ukukhuphula itali yamagoli umkwena second ball ubizele lisuka lapha kosaneni wathi yabo le goal lakhe lesibili ufunela cishe bebengeke bamnike uthe bamnika walibona ipala wakhahle first time la bengeke enze lutho ukhipha lapha
hayi bengena mangeke lapha
igol
lapha lesibili fast
yeah
khahleliwe
yabo thatha ikhev kancane bengingazathi liya ngaphandle la kev lathi ngadlula ipala la gale nethini bengeke senza lutho lapha bali igol lestrategy yawina kanjalo ke iMamelodi Sundowns yabo
Matthews abana ngisho i-shot on target ilele lihedile nje elilodwa makuthiwa akakhahlele usha phezulu ushaya wide
angazi noma bekumelana amnwetshwe nge100 meters amapala ukuze akhahle bekuyikhona lela khahlele into ebheke eceleni elingadeflectiwe lela bhola
yabo just because Sundowns yawina
and bekukhona la bebengasamphaseli khona first
bebengasamphaseli because bayambona
lekhojana isibelinyeka sebemeqa liye ngale lisale licross le ngoba kuyabona ukuthi nanga umuntu ozosimoshela ibhola ozosiqhatha nabantu
uslow futhi uMatthews kuyapress uyalibamba ibhola angimazi noma uMatthews ubathi uyistar
kwenzeka kanjani
and he is the only player eMamelodi Sundowns edlala wonke ama games
ethandwa yiyo wonke
the last 35 games
akabi nama cramp akabi nani akaphuke akatholi card kumnandi kuba wakaMatthews lo dlalela iSundowns ingubo uDa Silva weLokhojana we Chiefs uDa Silva nakhona iwinile iChiefs engakho uDa Silva futhi leli yabhola uvele by ube nayo impact lize lidlalwe nje ligcine seliqora uLilepo yabo so ake kuthiwa uMatthews akekho uma yabona le game le ibidinga effectiveness kwiSundowns uziwini so ikhona yini kuMatthews
ugcina ngasadlali noPasadini ngoba phela manje abasamniki lo muntu uMatthews lo
yabona
lesade ligcina selifile lingale
and congratulations to iMamelodi Sundowns ukusuka manje ku last 16 we-CAF Champions League kuya ku top in advance congratulations for ukurepresenta iPremier Soccer League yaseMzansi congratulations ukurepresenta iBetway Premiership iSouth Africa kwi-CAF Champions League competition edlalelwa ama-team eAfrica aho best angama champion muhle umsebenzi because amagoal ayi3 ishawe home once yakora 1 iSundowns kusho ukuthi ifana nokuthi na 5 ngeke ishaya amalokujana banama strikers afana nawe Orlando Pirates intended convection kule team ezodlala neSundowns kwi-Champions ayikho that effective and mind you labadlala bebengekho namhlanje bazobe kuyikhona okusho ukuthi lento yokuthi iSundowns ama matches ayo ala eMzansi kwiPSL angapostpone awakezi ukuba ukuyilimaza iSundowns ngoba igame elandelayo iobvious labadlali laba umkwena cishe akaspendanga even 40 minutes edlala of which angeke abanjwa ama cramp nani usese right ukuthi angawudlala u50 minutes Ondamane ukekana naye futhi akadlalanga ngisho 35 minutes kusafana nokuthi ba fresh so leyo defense yeSundowns izobuya uLokhojana bengekho kwababikho kumdawo uzobuya khahlelwa abantu isirepresent iSundowns ibe Jovic yeah
and masikhuluma ngeChampions League ubonile lama games lama games of first leg ali bayishayile ngo1-0 ishaya eTunis
yeah
bonke laba abanye ba draw ngo1-1 iSundowns ekore more than 2 goals
ihlabe 3 goal yathi clean sheet kulama games eLokhojana of which isengakuphinda lokho laba abanye bawine ngo1-0 mhlambe 2-1 kulama game ngoba phela le 4 edlalile izophinda futhi idlala second leg
and mothatha ukubheka bonke labantu banikele ama break iSundowns kuphela enganiki ku-PSL
yabona
and is the only team representa ilokhunje
iSouth Africa
isafa
yeah
PSL kodwa ayinikwa ama break yabo
yeah awudlala lo mdlalo wayo sikhuluma ngama Champions League namanye kuma Champions League ama team ay khona thola uduku isibhaxu hayi sibongela oNewcastle nalabo ukuthi azange bona bathole isibhaxu umdlalo usaqhubeka omuhle Sundowns iseza nayo izoqhubisa isibhaxu starting 11 is back
asibuyile bafethu siyavala kanje namhlanje bafethu danke siyabonga